How to add timer to your Google form? Well, it's pretty simple. On top right of a Google form, click on the three dot. Once you open your form, first make sure to open up a form. All right, click on get add-ons, and once this square box loads up, over here and search write timer for Google Forms. Once you search for it, it's going to show you this. I like to use this one, but you can use any one you like. Click on install right beside it, and it's going to open up your Google account. Just give access to your Google account. Click on continue, allow. Once you do that, this add-on is going to be added. Click on done, and as you guys can see, the timer is added. Now you can click on this add-ons and choose timer, and as you guys can see, the timer has opened up. Now after you publish this Google form, do not send this link you get from Google form. Send the link you get from here. All right, so I'm just going to log in into my account from timer as well again. So I have logged in into my account. Now the timer will pop up, and once the timer pops up over here, what you can do is after you set up the desired time you want, you can even write instruction over here. You can also set the date you want. After all of this is set, once you publish it, don't share the link Google form gives you. You need to share this link. All right, you need to share this link to the person you want to send this form to. Copy this link and share it, and if they open this form using this link, the timer will start. If you share them using your normal link, they will join, but the timer will not start. But if they join using this link, the timer will start. So you can choose the the amount of timer you want, the instruction, and you can even choose the open and close date as well if you want. But yeah, that's how you guys can do it. How to add timer. Subscribe to our channel.